How to view your pending follower request on Instagram. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, open up Play Store. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the search bar and type Instagram. Now once you're done, simply tap on search. Now tap on Instagram and make sure to update to the latest version. If any update is available, simply tap on update button. Now once you're done, simply go back to the home screen. Now open up Instagram on a device. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Now tap on followers. Now tap on follow request. Now on this page, you can either confirm or delete your follow request. Now simply tap on confirm or delete, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.